Hi guys, welcome to the FitRush, and today's video is going to be a review of a product. Now what product you might ask? It's going to be the Garmin 920 XT Triathlon watch. And let me tell you before we get into this video, this is no way sponsored by the brand. This is something that I own and I wanted to review and give my honest opinion about this particular watch. Without further ado, let's get into that review. Okay, so now let's get into a little deep dive into this watch. The first thing that I like to talk about this watch is, unlike the other series that Garmin has to offer, this Garmin is actually a multi-sport watch or a triathlon watch. Meaning you can use it for running, you can use it for cycling, and you can use it for swimming. Either you could do a normal run with this watch, you can do ultra marathons with this watch because the battery life is amazing, which I will be talking about at the end of this video. As I had mentioned earlier that this watch is also meant for swimming, as it's a triathlon watch, this is completely waterproof. You can totally submerge this underwater, you can do your activities such as swimming, open water, pool, there's absolutely no problem. It can really take a solid beating. Now let's have a look on the top, the layout of this particular watch. It has several buttons that's there. Unlike most of the Garmin series, which just has a power button, a mode button, an up and down arrow, this Garmin watch has a power button, it has a mode selector button, it has a back button, it has an enter button, and it has the up and down selection buttons which you would want to select your workout. Now coming to the fourth point, we are going to talk about what are the types of modes that are there available in this particular watch. So let's have a look at what kind of modes are actually there in this watch. Now as you can see, there's a running mode that's available. You have a run indoor, then you have a bike mode, you have bike indoor, you have pool swim, you have open water, you have a walk. So this is one of the other features that I was mentioning earlier that I have added custom, so you can also add that. And then finally we have the triathlon mode that is available, where you can basically perform all three activities if you're taking part in a triathlon. Most of the Garmin series watch comes with a heart rate monitor. This watch does not come with a heart rate monitor. Now that might actually make you think that this is actually a triathlon watch, and monitoring heart rate for runners who are doing ultra marathons and triathlon is very, very crucial, because you need to stay in that zone. This watch does not come with an inbuilt heart rate monitor. It comes with an external chest strap monitor. Now there are advantages and disadvantages for the chest strap monitor as opposed to the inbuilt monitor. One major advantage that I would say is, with the chest strap monitor, you don't always have to carry it around. If you're going for a small run, you can always leave it back at home, and you're saving that much amount of battery life while you're doing your longer runs. Now, the other advantage is it is far more accurate than what you would get from a skin reading or an inbuilt heart rate monitor. The disadvantages are that you always have to carry an extra strap every time with you when you're going out for a run if you want to monitor your heart rate. Sometimes it gets really sticky, it keeps sliding, but you know, unless until you get the perfect fit, it's not the perfect device that I would recommend for. The current Garmin 920 XT is running on the 10.2 version software, which even though that this watch is pretty old, they are still releasing a lot of software updates for this particular watch, which makes it very versatile and you can still use it. Unlike other watches where they discontinued the software updates, Garmin is still supporting this particular watch even though it is discontinued. Now coming to the final point that I would really like to talk about is its amazing battery life. Now this watch, the main feature or the main attraction about this, it's its battery life. I have personally used this for an ultra marathon, which is for 100 kilometers I have been running, and for easily about 12 to 13 hours or maybe even extended hours of 14 hours, it worked absolutely perfect and there was no problem at all. But of course, after 14 hours, definitely any watch you would need to recharge. And mind you, this is in one single charge, 14 hours continuous GPS tracking. And I don't mean like at a particular interval, at every single minute or even much lesser than that. This watch has another amazing feature that's called the Ultra Track mode. From the name, it's used for ultra marathons. Now where it will actually be useful, it would be very useful in places like if you're running a track. if you're running in a track which is just 400 meters and you're running for, let's say, 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers, you really don't need GPS at that point in time because you're just going around in circles. So that way you can save a lot of battery. Or if you know the route really well and you don't need that GPS kicking in every second, then you can just switch to the Ultra Track mode. The major downside about this watch is it's discontinued. Yes, Garmin has decided to retire the 920 XT, which was one of their most famous triathlon watch, which is super light, extremely sturdy. This watch can take a serious beating and nothing would happen to it. But then again, as technology is always improving and coming up with better versions, Garmin has decided to retire this particular watch and they've come out with the Phoenix series. Okay guys, so that was my review about the Garmin 920 XT. Hope you guys really like this. If you did, please drop a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I shall see you again in another video. Stay safe, stay fit.